In this video I explain how I made this terrarium. It's an open terrarium I made with locally available materials. I didn't use any costly plants in it. I just used the locally available plants in my area and surrounding. This glass tumbler I was used for a terrarium. There was some issues with the plants and the potting soil was damaged with overwatering. So I just cleaned everything and I made this new terrarium. Here I am using a clay pot. I took some gravel and cleaned the gravel very well in the water. I added gravel around 2 inches height from the base. You can use any kind of stone available in your local area. I am using a black polyester cloth to prevent the potting mix to mix with the gravel. Three months before this compost, I just made in a small pot with some dry leaves and soil. Naturally insects and bacteria came to process it. You can see earthworms and many insects there in the compost. I am showing a close-up of the compost. There are many insects like springtail. Springtail insect is very useful for terrarium like this. They are very good in keeping our terrarium in a natural ecosystem. This is a substrate used in floral arrangements. You can use stone or thermocol, anything to protect soil to go other side. I collected some moss from my terrace. And this plant also I brought from outside and kept in this bottle to use my future terrariums. And this is my one of favorite plant I always using in my terrariums. Here I planted some yellow bamboo, which was put it in sand. Now they are ready to be planted in terrarium or in a pot. Actually the roots are going to everywhere and it is very difficult to get it out. However I managed it to take it out. Some roots was damaged. I used these materials to protect the soil going to opposite side. This is a piece of charcoal. There is some mosses grown up already. I loved bamboos in my terrariums, but the negative part is that bamboos need much sunlight. And this plant also love very much sunlight, so I keeps my terrarium in a very much natural lighted area but not in direct sunlight. This small plant always bring a very natural look in my terrarium. And this kind of moss also get green in sunlight. I am adding some money plant because they are ready to grow anywhere, sunlight or shaded area, they don't care. Wherever you put it, if it gets some water it will grow naturally. But they grow madly and overtakes the other plants. So sometimes we need it, take it out, prune the roots and leaves. So their growth will be slow. I am adding some more money plant in the pot. I am not adding any water in the soil because the soil is already wet. I am adding some water directly to the pot. I added very little water into the gravel part. I will just spray some water on the plants in the coming days. After that I will not give that much care to this terrarium. Let them survive in the available condition. So my terrarium was ready. I just cleaned the side of the glass with a towel. Thank you for watching this video. I request you to subscribe my channel, because I will add some more terrarium videos in future which I expect that would be very interesting to those who love terrariums. Thank you for watching.